Good morning, y'all. Today I will be doing a full face with Yetta's Cosmetics. First, we're going to start with our eyes. I did my eyebrows off camera. Let me know if you want an eyebrow tutorial because I will drop that for you. So now we're cutting crease. I used P. Louise to cut my crease. Y'all, look at that mirror. It's so cute. She does customized mirrors, Yetta's Cosmetics. So if you guys want a mirror, go hit her up, Yetta's Cosmetics, y'all. So I cut the crease with Vaseline, which I done said plenty of times. Now I'm going to go in with the same color you have around your eye. You're going to go in with that so it's just like a smooth transition. So I'm going in with that same color in the back of my cut crease. Hey, y'all say hi to Twin in the bag. Hey, Twin. Now that blue. Oh, that blue is so beautiful. I'm telling y'all, go get this palette. It's so beautiful. It's so pigmented. It's very beautiful. Now I'm going to with James Charles palette for the white in the front. She didn't have no white in her palette. So we're going to use that white right there in the front. I'm going to get a flat brush. And we're going to pack it right on top. Her eyeliner. Look how beautiful it is. Her eyeliner is so beautiful. So when I tell you guys, it was so easy to do this eyeliner. That's the quickest and the fastest I've ever done my eyeliner. It's so pigmented. It's not runny. Like I run into a lot of eyeliners that's runny. This eyeliner, it went on. It didn't move. I didn't have to set it. It was just amazing. I would very much get this eyeliner if I was you guys. If you guys looking for a black eyeliner, liquid eyeliner, Yetta's Cosmetics, y'all. Now we're using contour. So for my highlight, I have on LA Girl Toffee. And for my contour, I have Fenty Stick contour stick and Espresso. We're underpainting, so I do my contour first, and then after I put on my foundation. This is how I do my base sometimes. Sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling, to be honest. We use those two powders. And I forgot she has a whole powder contour. So I went in with that too as well. And just look at my base. Look how smooth it is. It looks so damn good. Her lashes, so cute. Y'all let me know what other look y'all will want to see. I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.